is a historic day on the inauguration of the country club's VIP Gold Card. All the members, new members, will be getting a 2 night 3 days holidays in Sigim, and also a gold coin to go along with it. And all the existing members, just on an introduction, get a gold coin. So this is a gold coin revolution, and historic feat we have achieved by becoming a zero debt company. So as a special gesture to the members and to all the other people who are associated with the growth of the country club. It is really amazing how we have survived during post-COVID. We have now going on an aggressive growth path through franchisee route, and we have already touched about 51 franchises apart from the 30 own clubs we are having. And I'm sure I think we are going to touch 100 franchises within the next few months. So our aim is to go global, and I think we are now at the beginning of another big growth story. And this is again a company driven by the same promoter, same people. It's unbelievable that it is 35 years back I bought this property and made it into a club. You must have seen on the board of governors we have Pratap Reddy Garu, Nawab Patodi, the Indian cricket captain, Mr. B. N. Raman, Chief Secretary, Mr. Mahendra Reddy, Director of Police, and Medinova MD Vishwanath. So all the important luminaries were on the board, and I'm sure I think the contribution was fantastic. And because today now Country Club is not only a brand recognized in India but maybe across Asia and maybe around the world. And our dream is to make it into a global brand. Maybe in the next 2-3 years, I think we will do that. We have made visits in Sri Lanka. We got a property, and we are also looking at other properties in the Asian countries. So I'm sure I think we will definitely do our bit, work hard, be focused, because we are the only players in this industry. No other company has got so many verticals like clubbing, holidays, health and fitness centers, and events. Events I have shown you just now. I wanted you to be mentally prepared to see what kind of events we give. Even Bollywood stars like Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, Vivek Oberoi, Malika Sherawat. So many people perform. Unbelievable that so many beautiful memories we have got, which unparalleled. No other company or no other hotel or any clubbing industry has got so much of talent in their platform, and it is a big boon to members. And I'm sure I think this next few years will be an amazing year for all the country club members across the world. Thank you.